Okay. If you didn't see the little announcement here, is everyone looking up here? Put headphones in, please. You take headphones out, don't mind. Okay. So tomorrow we're gonna have a little quiz on this side angle side stuff that we've been doing, triangle congruence. So today we'll have a little review to help you get ready for that. Okay. As usual, I have the answers on the wall over there. The answer key is on the Google Classroom. The video of me going over it is on the Google Classroom. So you have plenty of resources to be successful in the review. And if you have that, you'll be successful in the quiz, right? That's tomorrow. If you wanted to exempt the class, you have to have I think 85 or higher and not a lot of absences. Anyways, so but the due date for grades for that is Friday. That's not the whole 9 weeks, that's just for exemptions. Then these things that are due, 2 of them are right here. We talked about that yesterday. And then you have the extension, which we worked on yesterday and Thursday before the break. Okay, now for the warm-up, what would have to be true for these 2 triangles to be SAS? So check it out. On the left triangle, here's my side. Well, drawing's cool. Drawing. Cool. Okay, so for this to be SAS, here's my side, here's my angle. So I would need, right here, a side, right? I want the tick marks here. I want the tick marks here. So the question is, what is this and this named? So we talked about this at the beginning of class. Everyone looking up here? Got your phones, please? So this segment is what? What 2 letters? What? Sorry, what 2 letters are at the endpoints? The name of it. AC, okay? So segment AC, go ahead and put a little segment on top of it, has to be congruent. Now, if y'all don't remember the congruent symbol, it's like an equal sign with a squiggle on top. AC is congruent to the other side, which is what? DF with the segment on top. Okay? Now, you don't need all those markings, but that's what would have to be true to make it SAS. Do you see how we're kind of working backwards? We're finding what we need, okay? In the middle, ASA. Now check it out. I have an angle, I have a side, so then I would need, right after that, another angle for it to be ASA. So the other angle would be what? So everybody, follow me. Is everyone looking up here? Okay, here's my angle, angle A. Here's my side, AB. I need one more angle. What would the angle have to be? What's the name of this angle? Angle B, right? Put 2 arcs there. And on the other side, the matching one is angle E. Now, when we write this, they're not segments, so we're going to write it as an angle. You got to put the little angle symbol. So let's go ahead and put angle B is congruent to angle E. Angle B is congruent to angle E. Okay. Now it's ASA. Does that make sense? You got to tell me which one's missing. There you go. Okay, last but not least, AAS. Now, if I'm looking at this, I already have AS. So I just need another angle, not after it, but before the other angle, okay? So instead of being angle B, which other angle do I need? Angle C. If y'all look right here, this would make it angle, side, AAS. Okay. On the other triangle, it's going to also be angle with 2 arcs. Cool. So my statement, those 2 angles need to be congruent. It's going to be angle C congruent, angle F. Cool. Angle C, congruent, angle F. All right. So again, if you see this in the future, like on a test, not tomorrow, that's a quiz, but your actual test over the stuff, you may have one of these problems where you have to identify multiple choice which thing needs to be true, make it one of these triangle congruence theorems, okay? So we've gone over it in this warm-up, everyone's seen it, cool? All right, now let's talk about what we're doing today. I'm gonna pass out your review. All right, we got a little quiz tomorrow, just like this. If you can do this review successfully, tomorrow will be easy cake. Okay, so again, I'm not asking you just to do this blindly. The answers are on the wall. There's a review video on the Google Classroom that you can watch. Of course, we can help you out too. You've got to do the review. The way you're successful in the quiz is by doing your review. And I give you every possible resource to be successful in that. Please use that wisely, okay? I may pass back some stuff to y'all to fix. I did put both of these into Skyward. You can check that, okay? But a lot of people did not turn in 1117 triangle congruence brackets. So check your stuff if you haven't turned that in, okay? Check Skyward if you're not sure if it's been turned in, okay? But I'm gonna pass out the review. Please work on the review or missing work and get prepared for that quiz tomorrow. And if I pass anything to you to fix, make sure you fix that. It doesn't have to be today, but fix it eventually, turn it in. That'll be great. All right, here we go.